Hello, I'm David from VTS. Today, let me introduce you our 1000 kN computerized self-hydraulic universal testing machine. This is the power pack. This is the self-control box, extensometer. This is the test software. Here is the system pressure, clamping pressure. And this is the load frame. It adopts 4 columns and 2 leading screw structure, and adopts high fully enclosed safety cover. Upper for tensile test, lower for compression and bend test. Upper one is hydraulic operated. Crosshead goes up and down. It adopts a high precision load cell to measure the testing force, and the extensometer is optional. It is used for elongation measuring and yield strength test. After finish one test, we should let the piston go down. In the software, click up and down button. Click down. When you test the bolt and the nut, you select these tensile grips. For the tensile jaws, you should select round specimen with clamping diameters from 26 mm to 40 mm. First upper clamp it, then you will clamp. You should hold it and first the upper clamp, and then put the lower one and the lower clamp. And the clamping length, you should take at least 80% of the tensile jaw height, clamping 80% of the tensile jaw height. And both the buttons should be in clamping status. If you loosen them, the bolt will fall off. Now we will perform one nut proof load test. This nut is M20 coarse thread, and we have put it into the test holder. And in the software, we will input the sample information. And for M20, this nut grade is 8 grade. So the proof load force is 225 kN. We will input the load keeping to 225 and hold for 15 seconds. And the test speed is 3 mm per minute. sample brick. The sample brick, the maximum force is 761 kilonewton. After finish test, click Date. Check the test result. For example, FM means the maximum testing force. The RM means the tensile strength. FPF means proof force, proof strength. And click Save button. Click Print. Go to Tensile Test. Click Preview.